Hey guys, this is Sahil from alphabetazone.com, and in this video I will show you how to turn on commenting on any of Instagram post, reel or video. So if you want to on the comment section of any of your Instagram post or reel or video, you can do it by using this feature of Instagram. First you need to open your Instagram account and log into your account. Now you need to select that particular post, reel or video in which comments are not showing. You need to select that. This means that you have already turned off comments on that particular post. So in order to enable comments on Instagram, first you need to open the three line icon at the top right. Now you need to select that turn on commenting section. Please keep in mind, if it is turned off, it will show turn on commenting, otherwise it will show turn off commenting. So in my case I had off the comment, so I will select turn on commenting on Instagram. Now this page will visible and anyone on Instagram will be able to comment on this particular post, reel or video. So this is the way to on commenting on Instagram post. I hope this guide was helpful. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel.